Hi, Sparkle.
I'ma go hard, bitch, yeah, I'm a star. Hate on me now, cause I'ma go far. Look at me now, if you wanna see good in 5 years tops, I'ma still be.
I need to spray it down. What do you think? $200.
We are at the truck stop over here in Kingman, probably a little more than halfway over to Vegas, so there's that. Gotta stretch a little bit. Yeah. I'll take a picture with the dinosaur. Can I get on there? Is it solid? This thing's hot. Shane, I feel like that. Can I take this home with me? That's a whatchamacallit? Right, we're here at the Hoover Dam, sorta. We're at the path. Oh, I didn't bring my hiking shoes. Really spicy?
Or trash.
What are the dot things?
Mustard seeds, I guess.
There. We're here for the free Coke. See if we can find it. I don't see it. I thought the free Coke would be in here with this nice chair. We found the free Coke over there. There's cups there. So do we just grab like 10 of them and leave? What is this, like a gift shop?
No, you're punching your ticket.
Tickets? Wait, oh, it's tickets for the arcade? So you get points to actually go to a gift shop here. Oh, it's just Coke. Oh, it's actually just
What about me? What about me?
There's no lids, are there? No lids. Excuse me, it's limit 1 per person. Why don't they have a water?
Just take the ice and let it melt.
Oh, I could just get a cup of ice.
Oh, yeah. What do we do?
Hold on. Hold the on. Mission successful.
Schmeck's in this little room.
Guess what happened? No lids. They just have Coke and Diet Coke. And I didn't realize till after I got my Coke that I could just get ice. After I got the Coke, I was like, why don't they just have water? And then I realized I could get ice and pour my own water in.
What'd you do with your Coke?
It's in my hand.
Alright, no.
Yeah, we're even because we got the free Coke.
Is that a millionaire food?
Yeah.
It's hot. Ooh, my stuff.
Alright, we just checked in. Now we're gonna go up to the rooms.
Better, too better.
Oh, she didn't say which one was the
Ricky
king?
got all happy? What do you mean?
2.
Oh.
Smells like marijuana in there.
You said they couldn't do it in here. Should we go complain to her?
Does it really? You guys are supposed to.
I'm joking.
It kind of does. What is that?
Can we open the window, please? I need to jump out.
Oh, nice. We get a nice view of whatever this is. The sign?
We got direction now. Okay, who's staying with who?
Vans.
Who's staying with whom?
Thank you. Thank you.
Whom is doing what with what? Who? Huh? Who's staying in this room? It's wet in here for some reason.
It's called humidity.
Why is it wet in here, Ricky? Call the people cut 9 times.
It's not wet. It's because the thing's not turned down. I just turned it down.
Tell them that we're claustrophobic, cut and we need the window
Well,
open.
she said the roof's closed today on account of rain.
It smells like marijuana.
It smells like marijuana to you?
You don't smell anything? Well, you're not good with
I don't know.
It
smells.
smells like marijuana, right?
It does, right?
Okay.
Let's go check
It
the.
smells like marijuana. It's illegal here. They're
Yeah,
doing it
but
inside the
we
room.
You said you couldn't though. It's no smoking.
room because there's dope in ours.
Whoa, this is a non-smoking room too.
This smells. Oh yeah. you
But
can
that's a
smoke
cigarette,
dope in
though.
here. It's non-smoking.
Well, they're smoking in here, obviously. I bet you they all smell like marijuana now.
We'll just open the window. Just
get a
kidding. Does
I'll bet
anybody
you-
want to do the test?
What test?
The test. Anybody want to do the test?
The,
They don't.
The comforters.
They
he
don't.
said.
Who wants to? You want to see it before you sleep?
What do you mean they don't?
Good.
Look, close the
Has to be
blinds.
dark.
They don't
Oh
wash.
no, I don't want to see it.
They don't wash the comforters.
Wait, what? What do you mean?
You ever see them on the maid's thing?
Turn off all the lights.
I think they just change out the pillowcases.
That's what he said. They change out the sheets and stuff. Everybody uses the same comforter.
Yeah, that's why I take it off.
How is that right? They
you
have
sure?
to wash them because when I ask for extra comforters, they bring one.
Ask for an extra comforter, you'll get a clean one.
So if it's
Turn
turn
off the lights.
Really? They don't wash them? How do you know? Are you sure?
Yeah,
Really?
that's what I heard.
Okay, let's do this.
Hit the remote control.
Or remote control.
It's over here.
It actually looks pretty
I
clean.
watched the video and it says under here.
Oh,
We
there.
didn't check the first room.
I did forgot. Yeah. What is?
Little specks, yeah.
Yeah, it's like all in there.
I brought Ziploc bags to put the remote controls in. Because it's like the dirtiest thing in the room.
I'm pretty surprised that the bed's not showing anything, huh?
If you had to pick
Look
up
under the
anything,
sheet.
There you go, then that proves it.
what about
Proves
under?
what?
There's no
Under.
schmutz.
Under. Under the covers.
There's no schmutz? Did they wash it then? Wait a minute, that's not even a comforter.
Who sneezed? Who sneezed in here?
Isn't that a comforter? Or
Get her out of here right
Ricky,
now.
that's not even a comforter, is it?
I don't know.
It's like a two-piece.
It's like a little real thin thing.
So then there's no comforter at all.
It's right here. It's real thin, the comforter.
Where's that chair at?
Investigation's over.
Please contact extension
Tell me you're
4870.
allergic.
I can do mine to go, but not
The tower tickets.
You're so funny.
Located across from
If it was meth, I would keep it.
My Uzi tube is behind me. Oh, there are two pools because it said on the card that there were two. So what's wrong with the roof? Ooh, we got live spits. Oh. Oh. Alright, so we're gonna go eat at the Bellagio. We called up and they have a dress code. You can't wear like cutoffs and like holes in your pants and sleeveless shirts. So let me change.
Me and Benjamin Franco stay at the bank.
It's Vegas. You can't be moving slow like this. Look, it's real mayonnaise. It is daytime. Oh, I got birds?
Amazing, huh?
I will turn you when you need me the most. I will turn you down.
We're here at the Bellagio buffet. It's the buffet, and right here I got 3 types of caviar. Just finished eating, pretty tired, and it's only like 8 o'clock.
You want the money, want the cash flow. Yo quiero la venta, sí, 50, sí, lo siento. Yo quiero dinero.
The longest walk from the elevator.
Wouldn't it be nice?